Historically, for centuries, women have devised and used thousands of ornaments including flowers, fragrances, oils, lotions, colors, curling devices, and braiding methods to make their hair look sensual, fleshly, and erotic. Of all mammals, only humans are fortunate to grow very large volume of very beautiful hair on their skulls as they enter into their teens. It is simply a mystery why nature bestowed only humans with these strange, pretty, and long tresses on top of the skull. It is also very strange why aging has very significant effect on the amount, length, and color of this pretty bliss nature blessed humans with. We, the humans, are wildly obsessed with our hair, because hair imparts a lot to our sensuality, beauty, attractiveness, sexiness, and aging. The hair is not a protective covering of the head, but it gives a finish and imparts unequaled grace to the features which it surrounds. Sculptors and painters have bestowed on its representation their highest skill and care, and its description and praises have been sung in the sweetest lays by the poets of all ages. Whether in flowing ringlets, chaste and simple bands, or graceful braids artistically disposed, it is equally charming, and clothes with fascination even the simplest forms of beauty. If there is one point more than another on which the tastes of humankind appear to agree, it is that rich, luxuriant, flowing hair is not merely beautiful in itself, but an important, nay, an essential, auxiliary to the highest development of the personal charms. Among all the refined nations of antiquity, as in all time since, the care, arrangement, and decoration of the hair formed a prominent and generally leading portion of their powder room. The ancient Egyptians and Assyrians, and other Eastern nations, bestowed on it the most elaborate attention. Glossy flowing black hair is represented to have been the glory of all ancient women, and in their person, to exhibit charms of the most imposing character, whilst it is almost magic beauty only equaled the chasteness of its arrangement. Here are some helpful hints to keep hair healthy and attractive. Dr. Gregory Turalski, MD, PhD, a hair specialist, relates that hair loss can occur due to many reasons. Some of them are heredity, hormone deficiency, certain diseases, side effect of some medications, poor nutrition, dermatological scalp infections, and stressful lifestyle. It is important to see a hair specialist to reverse thinning hair and hair loss. Hair counts for at least half of a sensual image of women's natural looks. Due to this fact, American women spend over $500,000 in their lifetimes on their hair. Trimming hair has not been proved to grow long and healthy hair. However, you may keep your hair at any length, without trimming too often. Use least number of man-made synthesized chemical to keep your hair healthy. Stay with organic products as much as possible. Some shampoos are now available that should strengthen hair. When hair is wet, use only a wide-toothed comb, and never brush. Do not use sharp hair-holding devices to keep hair safe. Hair on the head is very delicate elements and should be treated delicately. For long hair, you have to be more protective, and do not use harsh chemicals on your head. Ripping knots from hair damages many surrounding hair. Ponytails and tight braiding is not good for healthy hair growth. Treating hair with any heating devices is dermatologically a no-no. A soft or satiny frictionless pillow helps hair stay knotless. When on the go, comb disheveled hair gently with a wide-toothed comb. During windy weather, secure hair with a suitable scarf. Scalp does not produce same amount of oil for all. How often you wash your hair should depend on how oily your scalp is. In addition, scalp produces less oil as we age. Use shampoos and conditioners that are very low on harsh chemicals. All swimming pools are chlorinated, therefore condition your hair before jumping into a pool. Hair is very deeply associated with beauty, femininity, identity, freedom, and self-esteem. This fact has been true for many centuries. Dr. Vivian Diller, a psychologist specializing on women's sensual image, believes that hair alone makes very important impact on how a woman is judged simply due to her hair. Do not worry if you feel that you start losing hair. First, use a dandruff shampoo if you sense any dandruff. Follow all the important foregoing narrated information. Hair loss is one of the health problems due to a stressful lifestyle. The hair loss may begin months or years after stressful living. It is important to consult a medical professional before any serious hair loss begins. 3 main stress-related hair losses are telogen effluvium. Stress can stop growth of hair follicles, resulting in no new hair to replace the old fallen-off hair. Alopecia areata. This condition is related to immune system causing large amount of hair loss. Trichotillomania. This condition relates to compulsively pulling out hair from head, eyebrows, etc. due to anxiety and depression. To reduce mental stress, sleep well, be friendly and physically active, eat more fruits, vegetables, and nuts, and control excessive hair growth and facial makeups. Wash hair with plain warm, not hot, water with only very mild shampoos. Overstyling is unsafe for good hair health. Leave hair as natural as possible to meet your emotional needs. Let hair dry naturally, if you have time. Loose hair is the best hairstyle. Do not use synthetic hair colors, for there is borderline malignancy possibility with some hair colors.